important instructions. Please read it carefully. Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new product, Alice AI, and we believe it's going to change the way people think about artificial intelligence. Our product is designed to help the people who are wasting their time to search or think on a no-value result, making it the perfect solution for the best search result. And what really sets us apart is it can talk with us like a real human and open websites, describes a little thing or giving the information from Wikipedia. As you can see, Alice AI is incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of applications. Whether you're saying who is the president of USA, it will answer you. At Yash 12007, we're committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI applications. We have some exciting plans for the future, including AI applications, tools web development, and that's it. Of course, the actual presentation will depend on Alice AI and the peoples who use it, but I hope this gives you a good starting point. Working demo.
Hello, and welcome to our product demo. My name is Yash, and I am excited to show you what the Alice AI can do. Today we will be exploring the features of our product. So, first of all, you need to open the application and then create your own API key by signing in to OpenAI. For that, just click on the button. Now make sure that you are signing in here and generate your own API key. Then come to the application and paste the API key into the entry box. Now click on submit. This is the one-time task. Now you can ask whatever you want.
My name is Alice AI. Make sure you are connected to internet and please tell me how may I help you? Listening.
What time is it?
Recognizing. Searching. Sir, the time is 14 hours 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Listening.
Who is the largest animal in the world?
Recognizing. Searching. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world, growing up to 30 meters, 98 feet, long and weighing up to 173 tons, 190 tons. Listening.
Open Google.
Recognizing. Searching. Listening.
Open YouTube.
Recognizing. Searching. Listening.
Open Spotify.
Recognizing. Searching. Listening.
Arduino Wikipedia.
Recognizing. Searching. Searching on Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Arduino is an open-source hardware and software company, project, and user community that designs and manufactures single-board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for building digital devices. Its hardware products are licensed under a CC by SA license, while the software is licensed under the new Lesser General Public License, LGPL, or the new General Public License, GPL, permitting the manufacture of Arduino boards and software distribution by anyone. Listening.
Exit.
Recognizing. Searching.
Thank you.